Hi guys, today I wanna show you the Godzilla and Kong Rise of the Titans anime. I've been waiting for this. I've been commenting Monster 1 too many times. It was not released in 2021, but it was released at 2022. But so Monster 122, please comment on my video. And what's this? He can survive oxygen destroyer. Lodi, wag ka maingay. Sorry guys, I'm Filipino. I wanna talk English so you guys would know. Get more over there and see it? It's kind of survived. Good Godzilla. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more Godzilla and Kong Rise of the Titans video, make sure to like and subscribe. Or otherwise, nothing. Or otherwise, I don't know about that. It's just in the video, guys. Bye, guys. Before this text ends, have a nice days. Enjoy the days. Bye.